Time to remove liquidity. To 100%. I now have 3 SOL back. Check out this insane wallet. If you're serious about stacking cash, stick around because I'm about to break it all down for you step by step. For months, I was grinding meme coin trades day in and day out, but I got sick of the wild risks of dumping money into sketchy coins. That's when I found this new approach. Now I can triple my investment in just seconds, and I just repeat the process. That's how I've been making money so quickly. The real move is to stop trading meme coins and start creating them. The big players are already doing it, and we can't afford to fall behind. It's time for us regular folks to get our share. Most people launch their coins on Pump.Fun, but check out this list. In just a few minutes, you'll see a flood of new coins. It's way too packed to stand out, but don't worry, there's a workaround. We've got a golden chance to launch our coins on Raydium, a DEX where the competition is way lighter than Pump.Fun. Launches here are less common because coding is required, which is why projects on this network tend to be bigger, hitting higher market caps and more volume. We want that volume, but most of us don't have coding skills. Here's the kicker. That's no longer a problem. I'll show you how to launch your coin here, attract tons of investors, and make insane profits just like I've been doing. The point I'm trying to make is that you have to be making coins on Launchtoken.fun if you actually want to make some money. Now, if you want to launch your own coin, you have 2 options. The first option is to create it yourself by putting the token name, token symbol, and token image right here. Or, if you're lazy like me and want to make coins with no marketing required, you can use the Copy Trending Coins feature. Click on that, and every single coin trending here is guaranteed to get you buyers. If you duplicate any coin, you're guaranteed to make some money, at least a couple hundred to a couple thousand. Or you can even make life-changing money off one of these coins. I've personally made over $100,000 off this website just by duplicating coins. But now, it's time to create the coin. I'm going to look for something that's popping. The Vine 2.0 coin just caught my attention. It has 125 replies and a $41,000 market cap. So, I'm going to create this coin. A warning will pop up, but don't be scared. This is completely normal. Just proceed anyway, confirm, and your coin will be created shortly. After that, copy the token address and click on Create Liquidity Pool because you want to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Set your coin here, set your SOL balance, click on Max to give away 1 billion coins in liquidity to the public. The amount in token B is actually the liquidity you're buying in with your own money. You won't lose this money since you'll be the first buyer inside the coin. You can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1. I like to put 0.5 because that's what I'm comfortable with. Then, click Create Liquidity Pool in 3, 2, 1. Create pool. Make sure you have enough SOL. I obviously have enough. Confirm. Refresh. Okay, it popped up. I'm already 10% in profit. $6 up. Now click on Join Photon, and your coin is live. Let me check a lower time frame. Okay, it's pumping. $150 in liquidity right now. It's pumping. Let's go. This might be a good time to remove liquidity. Go back to Launchtoken.fun, click the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, then confirm. Boom! Liquidity removed. If I open my Phantom wallet, I now have 3.1 SOL back. I had 2.2 at the start, so I made around $130 in profit. Bro, it took me seconds to remove the liquidity. That's how you make money. Go do it yourself. Join my Telegram group down below.